All right, so today we're going to go over the 90-90 stretch. This is an awesome stretch for the rotational flexibility in your hips. Here we've got her in the 90-90 position. You'll see her front leg is at 90 degrees with her knee in relation to her pelvis as well. Her back leg is at 90 degrees as well. There are multiple components to this exercise. The first, she's going to concentrate on slightly leaning forward, staying nice and tall with her body. Put your hands on the table, and you can actually use your hands to support you and stay tall. Make sure you're breathing through your belly. And then the next phase, once you're at level 2, once you're comfortable with that, is you're actually going to take your hands away. She's going to put them across her chest, and she's going to continue to lean forward. This is more of the external rotation aspect of this stretch. Good, and just pause there. Try not to bounce all that much. Good, so that's all the external rotation. Next, for the internal rotation, what she's going to do, she's actually going to face my direction. Her sternum, she's going to try to get it to line up with her thigh in this direction. She's going to put her hands on either side of her thigh. Good. Oh, actually, she's right. Hands behind the body. You push through the hands and stay as tall as you can, and you're going to feel some deep, really discomfort in that hip. But you'll be working on getting that internal rotation flexibility back. You'll want to hold that for 30 to 40 seconds. As you become more and more comfortable with that position, she's actually going to take her hands away and put them, just like with the other stretch, put them right to her torso and work on getting her shoulders even with this shin bone. You see, it's a little difficult for her, so she's trying real hard, and I'm sure she's definitely feeling it in her hip. Now, as you get better at that, there's actually going to be a level 3 to this exercise. So what she's going to do is she's going to slightly lean her torso this way. She's going to keep her knee down, and she's going to raise up her foot as much as she can. She'll tell you this is very, very difficult, and this is really engaging, and it might even lead to a little bit of spasm in your hip muscles. And you see, she leans, just the slightest bit of motion, and we're happy with that range of motion. Tough, right?
Yeah, it's definitely spasming.
Finally, level 4. As she gets good at that, now what she's going to do, she's actually going to straighten the hip, go all the way around to the side, raise up as high as you can, without her spine really deviating much at all. She brings it all the way back, foot down, and then knee down. She'll do that again for you. Foot up, straighten that knee. Good. Up as high as you can, and back. All the while working on keeping your breath and your control to your body. That's the 90-90 stretch.